Hey, it's Brent with EXP and Lahan Home Team.
And I'm Jennifer, and welcome to Clermont, Florida.
That's right, just 40 minutes west of downtown Orlando. Looking for hills and lakes? This is the place.
So come join us on this tour.
Yeah.
Clermont is just 22 miles west of Orlando. The city is known for its gentle sloping hills, which is quite unusual for Florida.
There are lots of local shops and restaurants in the historic downtown Clermont. Every Sunday from 9 to 2 is a farmer's market. The Downtown Exchange is a place where you'll find a wide variety of local vendors serving a mix of beverages, food, and crafts, and even succulents.
Lily's on the Lake is a great choice for dining. The restaurant sits on Lake Mineola, and you can choose to dine indoors or outdoor and enjoy the views of the lake.
The Clermont Historic Village Museum is also on Lake Mineola and offers visitors tours of historical buildings and to learn about the history of Clermont.
Hey guys, we're here in front of the House of Presidents Hall of Fame.
Yeah, it's a cool museum here in Clermont where you can look at wax figures and get a tour of the history of the United States presidents. So come check it out. The President's Hall of Fame displays the history of the United States president. Here you will find wax figures that include past presidents, First Lady gowns, and historical memorabilia. Check out the White House replica and its intricate design.
The Citrus Tower was built in 1956, boasts a height of 226 feet. Check out the views.
You guys, we're up here at the top of the tower, and it's a pretty beautiful view. You have to check it out.
Thank you for joining us on this tour. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more, just like and subscribe to our channel.